Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is in a good mood today. ADA found its running shoes today. Nothing major though, but Bitcoin also slight upside today, following currently through the yellow wave count on the Bitcoin chart that I presented in the Bitcoin video today. And ADA, yeah, we're just watching if a low is in or not. I think it's possible. We talked about that in the last video, but we just have to be very mindful that one more low is possible on this chart. And I want to share with you the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenario. So let's take a look at the current microstructure. So the idea is obviously still, that's the base case, that a wave 1 top there in March, a wave 2 pullback might be finished. Yeah, maybe one more low, but that's sort of the uncertainty we just have to deal with on these charts. But I think we're fairly close to a low, so I think in the next few days or weeks we should see a rally. Can't say if this starts over the weekend or if it starts next week, but I think we should see a bit of a rally. Obviously, I'm tracking the S&P 500 in parallel also there. I think next week we could see a rally. So, you know, for all the people who love correlations, maybe, you know, this is going to go in line with each other. Here, short-term bearish allows for one more low. If that happens, then I'd say it's probably within a triangle that ADA is trying to form a triangle. Now, we don't really have triangle trend lines here that I could use. I can sort of sketch them, but obviously we don't really have enough touch points. I just want to use them to indicate, okay, this could be a triangle. The triangle is never the last wave of a cycle, but sort of second to last. So it might mean that this is some kind of a wave 4, and then one more low should be the last one. So if the low isn't in yet, the next low should do it. If a low is already in, and if the wave 2 has already bottomed. So if one more low happens, okay, then I need to see a break below today's low to confirm that further. That would be a break below 42.2 cents. And then we probably will find some support at around 36 cents. That's the next Fibonacci level. If the price breaks above the A wave high, then the triangle idea would be completely invalidated. That's a break above 49.5 cents. If the price then also follows through and breaks above the Saturday high at 51.6 cents, I think I'm going to assume the low is in. If the low is in, it would have to be, in my interpretation, a diagonal pattern that's unfolding to the upside. That means the third wave, where is it? I don't have it on the chart, I think. There's a third wave going to be somewhere up there. And the first wave of that third wave is likely going to be a diagonal. So wave 1, wave 2. And then this would be a third. So similar to the ETH chart. Yeah? So something like that would unfold. If the third wave is unfolding right now, and that's part of the short-term bullish case, then the third wave should reach, especially in crypto, that's, in my opinion, necessary, should reach the 1.38 extension as a first ideal target. That's at 56.8 cents. So there's quite some room for ADA to get, you know, so what ADA needs to do. And the fifth wave should get to 59.8 cents. Now, it's a bit subjective, you know, was the wave 1 here or was it here? And it's just an overshooting B wave, but that doesn't look right. So I'd like to have the one here, and that gives me these values. Just something to watch, yeah. So where the wave 5, I need 5 waves basically. Not that, 5 waves to 60 cents to confirm that a low has been established. But of course we can track it before. I mean, already now, if this is the count, then this is the invalidation point, that 42.4 cent level. That's the invalidation point. So that's the key level against which we can focus on higher. That's at the same time the point where, if broken, would for me confirm that a fifth wave to the downside is unfolding. Maybe not confirm, but indicate. Confirmation is not certainty. So yeah, that's sort of what I'm watching here. I mean, at the moment, we haven't really taken out any significant swing high, still broadly moving in a range, and really the price hasn't gone anywhere. So it might not be until after Bitcoin's first pullback, if Bitcoin can form a higher low, that ADA will really start to move higher. So we'll observe that. At the moment, not really any changes to the analysis. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.